Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Like I say, the other time, wherever you are, what day you're watching it, night, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, what time of day, what holiday, have a good time. Alright, so here we go. Hey, I have a cough. That's right, I do. Right before I started this video, I was thinking, what can I talk about? I can't really talk about anything with this cough. It bugs me. It bugs me to the bone. I have a cold, because down here and down under, where it gets hot, it's winter, and I get a cold, so my ears are blocked, runny nose, but most of all, I have a cough. A cough. So basically what you're going to be hearing throughout the whole video, is me coughing. Which I apologize in advance, And you're probably thinking, oh dude, why are you making a video? Why are you coughing? I mean, seriously? Really? Really? You're making a video while you're coughing? I'm just like, yes, I like these. I like doing these. I like talking to you guys. You guys listening, enjoying this. I hope you do enjoy it. That's why I like this. I make this because I enjoy it, and you're enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. I'm uploading it, and I enjoy it when I get the very first view. This is viewed. Like, oh boy. Oh boy. I got a view. Woo! Like, oh, and it uplifts me. Here we go again. That sounded worse than the last time. Alright, so I have medicine, but I had so many days off. So many days off job center. You won't believe how many days I had off just because of this cough. Here we go. One more time. Apologize. You won't believe how many days I had off. It's annoying. And I have a first aid course coming up. A first aid course. I believe it's tomorrow. Well, today. Oh God, it's today. Oh God. I realize because it's in the early morning and I can't sleep. That's why I make these videos. I don't make these videos because I can't sleep. I make the videos because I want to. Alright. Anyway, guys, I'm just blabbing on. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to, show it to your friends. Tell your friends, hey, this guy has a cough. Don't worry. You can't catch it over video. Or can you? I don't think you can. Don't worry about that. That would be freaky if you can. I mean, that would be freaky as hell if you can. It's like, you're happy, and then one day you start to get sick. I'm just like, you're like me right now. And I go, dude, you sound really crap. And just like, yeah, I got it off the internet. And they're like, what? And you're like, yeah, I got it off. I don't know why you sound like this, but yeah, I see. You know, I was watching this video, and somehow I got his sickness from the video. Oh. And they're just like, okay, I'm just gonna step back, and you stand where you are, and you're like, dude, come back. It's just a cough. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to see. You know, it's like, oh, it's a cough. You know, freak me out. Jesus. Jesus. I can say Jesus, right? Yeah. I hope I can. Ooh. Oh. I hope I can. I hope I can. I hope I can. Ooh. You know, so where was I? Oh crap, I lost my train of thought. I lost where I was going. I get distracted so easily. But then, you know, with this copying, it just, you know, distracts me. Okay, so, oh yeah, I was ending the video. Oh crap, here we go, one more time. Again, I'm not gonna, you know, for the last time, I apologize. So, like this video, share it to your friends, follow me on the Twitter, you know, at TheAlvinDan. You know, who it will be so cool at TheAlvinDan. Follow me, like me on Facebook. Like me on Facebook at on Facebook / TheAlvinDan. You know, I'm sure if you type in Google, it'll pop up my Twitter and my Facebook. Anyway, guys, so I don't cough again. I hope you enjoyed listening to this video. I know it wasn't like the last one, and hopefully it will go away in the future episodes. Or videos, not episodes. Videos, Dan. It's videos. Alright. Bye, guys.